We here at Cartel Roasters, and Ling is going to have the coffee in the coffee capital of the world.
Does it look social?
Does it live up to their name?
It's good.
It's good.
Yeah, the milk was done really well.
Why do you sound like Marge Simpson? What's happened to your voice?
Because I married a brown man.
Ling sounds like Marge Simpson because she's getting sick, and it was a bit nerve-wracking going through the airports because we're afraid that since she looks Chinese, that they were gonna detain her for coronavirus. Chicharon ka ba? Bakit? Bakit?
Why? Because I'm fat?
No, because you're gonna be ingay when kumain ka.
When I eat, I'm loud.
That was a bad translation. I don't speak Tagalog very well.
Oh, I didn't notice.
I eat I loud. Day one in Melbourne. As you can see from the bags under my eyes, I didn't really have a restful sleep because of the jet lag. Fell asleep at about 4 a.m. and then I woke up this morning at 11:30 a.m. So that's half the day. Day one in Melbourne gone. Well, just gonna have to make the most of what's left of the day. First order of business today, exchange my Philippine pesos for Australian dollars. Ling trying to fit the family box into the garbage. It's so massive.
Family that live together.
That stupid box.
The box was cool yesterday.
Now
Not cool now, I hate it.
Can't get distracted, can't get distracted. I do, yeah. It's a Canadian, or actually I have a New Zealand ID, that's fine. Alright. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Alright, first order of the day, exchange Filipino peso to Australian dollars. Check. Next order of the day, coffee. Or breakfast. Or food.
Or lunch.
Something. K-pop versus Tadakimasu.
We were talking to the girl in front of us at the exchange bureau. She's actually from Colorado. Oh. She said that every single cafe here in Melbourne serves really good coffee, no matter what they look like.
So Melbourne is the coffee capital
of the world.
But people of self-proclaimed coffee capital of the world. But people here can vouch for that and actually say that the coffee is really good. For such Davaoeños, look at that here. Davao. To go back to the library, or if you want, we can walk to the end of the room. So because of the late start, unfortunately, we're gonna miss the walking tour at 2:30 p.m. No big deal. We're just gonna explore our surroundings a bit, to take in the sights.
Where is that?
Dad needs bateria, and we're at Target.
Tupac.
I would like to charge my phone. Oh, look at that. Alright, lock this guy up. Alright, donezo. Sweet. My earbud headphones crapped out on me, so I need to get some replacements.
I know.
Okay, these seem pretty solid. Wired headphones. These are wired ones?
They're wired.
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
Are you iPhone or Samsung?
OnePlus actually. So
Okay,
that's exactly what I'm looking for.
I'll just put it through for you. Yeah.
Awesome, thanks.
There you go.
Cool. Thank you very much. Cheers. All right, got some wired headphones. See, while everybody's rocking the AirPods, I still got my OnePlus 6 with, remember that thing? That 3.5mm headphone jack? It still works. I still use it, and I love it. Now to retrieve my phones. Pick up my phone. Creepy looking emo sloth. Skip that. All right, cool. Good to go.
That's what happened in a predictor.
Boom! Parang neneng B ang kanyang katawan. Ang sarap mong titigan. Rosas ka ba? Kaysa sa spaceship, isasakay kita. Boom! Parang neneng B ang...
Did you get your cafe? Just in the nick of time. I don't drink coffee.
Oh.
I sip it.
There's milk in this, eh?
You have to drink little by little milk. That's why in the Philippines I used to be like that.
An impromptu photo shoot right by this mural. I think I look pretty good there. Yeah. That's what happens when you take the selfie. Your
Okay,
face
here.
looks the biggest.
Then you do it because you have the smallest face out of all of us.
Okay.
You can afford it.
Here we go. This is how you vlog and take a selfie at the same time. Cheese. There we go. Not bad.
Nah, you're not smiling.
You're so serious.
Look at you, you're not smiling. Okay, try.
I think it's Link's trying to open the world's biggest coin purse. So all over the Melbourne CBD, there's a whole network of tramways. The best part about this whole tramway system is that it's completely free. You don't have to pay anything to ride it. Oh my god, that's like so terrifying. Well, it's about 5:47, so I think it's time to get a drink. Happy hour?
Get a drink.
Get a drink. Okay, I think this is our invitation right here. Convict turned Australia's first brewer. Welcome to the Crafty. Sounds good to me. It's good for you? Wait. Alright. Cheers, guys. So